Hi, my name is Madhavan. I'm the editor of Better Photography magazine, and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. We started the Wedding Photographer of the Year Awards in last year. This is the second edition of the awards, and it is India's biggest wedding photography awards. The thing to remember is that wedding photographers in India are forgotten immediately after the wedding. I mean, who remembers the wedding photographer? So we decided to do something to recognize these photographers, especially because they make memories that last generations. Just think about it. You have wedding photographers whose pictures goes into albums, which is looked at year after year, decade after decade, generation after generation, and it's enjoyed and appreciated for so many years. And that's the reason why we came up with the Wedding Photographer of the Year Awards. Photography is really tough. Unlike other kinds of genres of photography where you have, for instance, inside a studio are dealing only with studio lighting, right? But with wedding photography, a wedding photographer has to deal with outdoor lighting, indoor lighting. He's got to be a specialist in portraiture. He's got to be a specialist with groups of people. He has to be a photojournalist. He has to capture the moment. So there are so many things that he has to be all in one go. And it doesn't just end there. I mean, a wedding photographer has got to be a great businessman. He's got to be a great communicator. He has to be able to talk to the couple and get them to feel comfortable around his presence. So a wedding photographer has to be all of this rolled into one. So it's a pretty tough thing to do. Wedding Photographer of the Year 2010 has had 16,584 entries. That's 16,000 entries from all over the country. And they've come from big cities, small little towns. It's from all over the place. Deciding the top 6 from these 16,000 has been not an easy task. It's been extremely difficult for us to say that this guy is actually better than that guy. So we narrowed the 16,000 down to a top 2,500 entries, and then we select those 2,500 entries and send to a panel of 6 judges, who then finally selected the top 6 entries. So we have the top 6 entries for each of these categories, and we also have 6 nominees for each of these categories. So at the end of the day, when you look at it, you have the best wedding photographers across the country competing for one single title. The winner of the Wedding Photographer of the Year Awards wins ₹1 lakh in cash, but that's the smallest thing that he actually wins. In the past, when a person wins, is not just wins, is nominated for any of the categories, his value in the industry doubles immediately. So automatically he starts making a lot more money, he becomes a lot more successful, he gets a lot more events, he gets a lot more weddings to shoot. So I think the biggest gain here is for the wedding photographer because of the kind of platform that this is. So they promote themselves using the title of Wedding Photographer of the Year. They use this in their websites, they use this on all the communications. It really works to promote themselves. So I think that's the biggest win here.